Hello friends, my Kitchenaid dishwasher just stopped working. I'm going to show you how I fixed it with just $20. First step, let's get those two trays out. Remove the spinner by holding the middle with your finger or plier and then turn the spinner a bit, it will come out easily. There are two clips holding this plastic in the middle. Take this blue color plastic by just pulling it. Once you unlock those pins, just turn the middle plastic to the right, it will come out. I removed that filter, but I don't see anything inside. Usually when there's a glass or plate breaks and that goes in there and then cause problems, but I don't see anything. Now I'm going to open this small cover. Inside there's a blade. It's like a filter. I'm going to remove it and see. I'm guessing maybe it's broken. So let's open it and see. I'm using an extender to the drill because it's a tiny area, it's hard to reach. As I guessed, I see the blade is broken right there. Now I've diagnosed the problem. You see the white color plastic piece is broken in two pieces. Everything was all over. I need to get a new part and replace it. I'm going to order it at Amazon. I found it for about $18 plus tax. So I'm going to get the new parts. It's going to be like the complete set and then just replace that. So this is the new part. I got it for $18 plus tax from Amazon. Alright, now let's put the new blade in. You might need to use a screwdriver to push that white color plastic part inside to align with the motor inside. To be honest, this is the hardest part in the whole process. Alright, now I put the blade back. Everything is aligned properly. Just checking to see if the motor is moving when I push that blade. All the hardest parts are done. Now we have to put everything back. Before I put them back, this is a perfect time. I'm just gonna give a rinse. Here I see a broken coffee mug. Little piece is stuck in this mini hole. I want to just get it out. Otherwise, it's not going to wash the dish as well. Alright, everything is washed nice and clean. Now it's time to put everything back. You place the middle part in and then turn it to the left. It's going to lock it. Here, push it right in the middle. The clip will lock. Do the same thing on the top. Do the same thing what you did to take it out. Hold it in the middle and then turn a bit. It's going to lock. Alright guys, this is how I fixed my dishwasher with just $20. I recorded this video about a year ago, but posting it right now because I didn't get time. Almost a year now. I didn't have any more problems. If you have any problem, check inside to see if any broken pieces are blocking or if anything is broken. Okay guys, if you like the video, give a thumbs up and consider subscribe to my channel. Thank you.